Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Jay Roberts and this is my channel Make Money with Video. But in today's video we're going to look at some printable ideas and done for you Amazon. Yeah, and it's not just for Amazon, you can do it for Etsy as well. This is my channel. I show how to make money with printables, Amazon KDP, and how to make money with video using different social media platforms. And feel free to come and check out some of the videos. Here's one I made earlier about Etsy, some about Christmas bundle, and lots of different ones, guys. But let's jump into today's video. Now, this is my Etsy store. You can see I've made £5.24. I sold one item today. Yeah, and I sell printables. Now, this is the Christmas present. This is the bundle of lots of stuff what I've created myself, what I sell over on Etsy and on Amazon, but it's all done for you. And you get 10 colouring books. You get these 10 colouring books, yeah. This one here, The Ugly Christmas Tree, is my best-selling book, yeah. These are very popular, the cats one and the dogs one. The colouring books, that colouring book and this one for kids are both like very new. Obviously, your cars and your superheroes are popular, and obviously you got your Bible and your comic books. But these are some of the inside pages. So you're getting like 45 different drawings, 30 different drawings, 30 different 55. Yeah, and these are the books we get. Plus, you get 25 articles that you can also sell and use as well if you want to use them on yourself. 61 social media posts where you can bundle up and sell on Etsy or use them for grow your own business and your brand. 5 blog posts for your own website. These are some of the social media posts you get. Then also, this is the important ones, it's 25 Christmas games, yeah? So look, you're getting 5 word search bundles, yeah? You got bingo, you got Jeopardy, you got more like scavenger hunt and your emoji games and that. Then you got more music quiz and emojis, and you got lots of different ones, riddles, elf report, advent calendar, yeah. And this is a bit of close up, and so you can see a bit more of them. Yeah, you also get Trace Letters book, which is good for learning, kids learning. Yeah, also activity book, learn to read, like all your sight words and that. Then you got Christmas colouring activities for journal for kids, so they can write, learn the writing, and also fill it in and like a fun way for Christmas. And then you got your notebook. Yeah, this was my first ever book I created. But I also want to give you more. So these as well you can sell. These are printable ideas where you can make like wish lists and this all that and Santa letters to Santa, add like a countdown to Christmas, letters and stuff like that, guys. Yeah, videos as well. So you can use these to give to your loved ones. You can post on your own blog, share on social media, start your own business, sell on Amazon KDP like I do, stocking fillers if you want to print them out, go on to your family and loved ones, build a brand and enjoy them yourself. Yeah, I've spent hundreds of hours making these, and I've spent lots and lots of money creating these, guys. So what do you get? So you get 10 colouring book interiors, yeah? You get 25 Christmas printable games, 61 Christmas social media posts, 25 mixed article posts, 5 Christmas blog posts, 2 learning books, 2 writing books, and 20 plus extras, guys. That's a lot of content you can use to publish on Amazon, publish on Etsy, as well as on your own website and on social medias like Facebook and Instagram, stuff like that, guys. You can grow your own brand, yeah? But I want to show you as well, there is an upsell. If you buy this today, I'll leave the link in the description. There is an upsell, but the upsell is really good, yeah? And I'm not just saying that, but how about 290 more presents, yeah? So you get lots in this first one, yeah? You get all these, you get 10, you get 25, 61, yeah? How about 290 more, yeah? So you're going to get 10 baby shower game bundles. Now, these bundles, yeah, well, this on its own, this one printable, yeah, sells good, yeah. Like baby shower is a very popular niche, and they sell on their own. But you're going to get 10 different bundles, so you might get like 10 different games with the giraffe print on, 10 different games with the unicorn, 10 different games with in each start again, guys. In each bundle, so you get 10 bundles, yeah. In each bundle, there's 14 games in each bundle, yeah. That's 140 games you're going to get. Now you can sell them 140 times on their own, yeah, or you can sell them as a bundle, so you can make lots of different money. Not only that, guys, these are some of the games you get. So you get this Baby Price is Right, Baby Shower Word Search, Baby Shower Crossword. So you'll get 14 games with this little unicorn on. You'll get 14 games with the bunny rabbit on. 14 games with caterpillar, yeah, crocodile, dog, elephant, giraffe, ladybug, yeah. I'm not sure which one that one is. Yeah, so you get them. But also, guys, I'm going to give you 10 more game bundles, yeah, of the road trip niche, yeah. So you get another 140 games. So that's 280 games you're going to get, right? With all these, like, so you've got all these different, like, penguin, yeah. You got all these different games, and these are some of the samples, yeah. Oh, you look, you got your Christmassy one there. Your sloth. I couldn't think of what it was called then. So all these 10 different little baby animals and that and creatures, you're going to get 14 different games. So all these different games you're going to get, but in 10, like, yeah. But also, so yeah, each games bundle has 14 games. That's 20 games bundles with 14 games each, yeah. Sellers bundles and as individual games and to earn even more, guys. But then you're also going to get 10 book interiors, so you can have 10 books created for your Amazon. So you can start your Amazon journey and you can start your Etsy. Yeah? Save your time and money. So what you're going to get inside this one, you're going to get 10 book interiors in PDF format, 10 baby shower bundles, yeah, each with 14 games, and 10 road trip bundles, each with 14 games. That is a lot of games, a lot of printables, a lot of ways you can make money, guys. So just think about it. You get all them, yeah. And if you decide to take the upsell, you're going to get all them as well. So before you know it, you're going to be earning lots of money. Now I've only earned £5 because I'm slowly each day uploading to Etsy. I'm slowly each day uploading to Amazon. But it's took me a long time to create all these things. But you're going to get them all done for you. So these are printable ideas. These are done for you, Amazon. Now, if you like the sound of that, the link will be in the description. Hope you like this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. It's only a small channel. And yeah, thanks very much for watching, guys. Until next time, goodbye.